Hey everyone, welcome back! Today I will bake a Hungarian style of coconut cookies in the shape of hearts and small croissants. Keep it up with me. Let's see what we need for 64 pieces of cookies. 250 grams of flour, coconut flakes, butter, 200 grams powdered sugar, 6 grams baking powder, 2 grams salt waldo, 1 vanilla sugar. For topping you will need 250 grams dark chocolate, 40 grams butter and 100 grams coconut flakes. For better recording, I started the half of these amounts. Don't panic if you have more dough than what you have seen on the video. Let's get started. Add all the dry ingredients, flour, coconut flakes, powdered sugar, vanilla sugar, baking powder and salt waldo in a big bowl. Mix it with a whisk. It takes only 1 minute. Now, add room temperature butter to the bowl. Mix it until it's combined properly. If it is too sticky, you can make your hand floury to fill the baking forms. You don't need to overfill the forms, other way it won't be in nice shapes. In the meantime, turn on your oven to 150 degrees. For Hungarian and German translated recipe, please check out the description below. Now we bake it for 20, max 25 minutes. Be careful, don't let it bake for too long. Make sure the cookies still light brown. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time to hit the button. Thank you. After 25 minutes, the cookies looks like this. Let it cool down for 5 minutes, then remove it from the foam. Gently hit the edge to the surface, it will come out easily. To decorate the cookies, we need to melt up the chocolate over water steam. This way, the coating won't burn. When the chocolate is completely melted, add some butter or oil to make it shiny. Let me give you 2 tips, guys. Make sure the water doesn't reach the bottom of your bowl. And when the water is boiling, reduce the heat so your chocolate doesn't burn and you got the best result. Last step is to decorate. Dip both ends of the cookies into the chocolate, then straight into the coconut flakes. Then let it dry. Continue this until you have cookies. Before serving, you can sprinkle it with some extra powdered sugar, but it's up to your taste. That was my coconut cookies, my friends. I hope you will like it. I think it was pretty easy. I appreciate that you are watching. Bon appetit and see you next week!